Make gifts for your friends, decorate your kitchen, create a new collection of accessories, and plant unusual cactuses. All of this can be done with a hot glue gun. How? Watch fresh hot glue gun hacks in our new video. My friend Blondie has such a boring phone. She can only have boring conversations on it. I'm going to change it. I will make a surprise gift for my friend. It's a funny phone case with bright donuts. Take a clear silicone phone case. Make hot glue circles of different sizes. They look like donuts when hardened. Paint them with nail polishes of different colors. Add colorful glaze on top of each donut and add a coat of clear nail polish with glitter on top. I put my bright phone case onto her boring phone while she is away. Then I hide it under a throw pillow. Where is my phone? Where did I leave it? She can't find it by any means. I will have to help her. I make a call, and Blondie finds her phone under the pillow. And she also finds my bright present. Colorful donuts can make anyone happy. I will return the favor and make a gift for my friend as well. What about a slice of watermelon? She will never expect it. We will need red, white, black, and green felt and a pink zipper. Draw a dashed arch on a piece of green felt. Fold it in half along the arch and cut out a leaf shape. Cut out 2 half circles out of red felt. Cut 2 wide strips out of white felt. Pull up the green felt detail to stretch it a little. Hot glue the white strips to the edges. Attach the red half circles to the white strips. Turn the detail right side out. Fold the edges inside. And hot glue the zipper. We've got a piece of watermelon. We still have to make seeds. Squeeze a few drops of hot glue on a strip of black felt. Paint them black with nail polish when the glue is dry. Cut out the seeds and attach them to both sides of the watermelon slice. I give my sweet gift to my friend. A watermelon clutch is only for the sweetest fashionistas. She strikes photo shoot poses at once with this juicy accessory. Funny watermelon, mysterious watermelon, languid watermelon. Choose whatever you like. Well, what's inside of it? Wow! There is one more gift in the watermelon purse. What is it? It looks like a hair tie. Beautiful! Cover a piece of plastic with fatty cream. Squeeze a coat of hot glue and let it harden. Cut an oval template out of paper. Cut the glue following the template outline. Make 2 holes for a rubber band. Cover it with white acrylic paint. Draw a geometric pattern with nail polishes of different colors. Add a shimmering accent. Pass a rubber band through the holes and fasten it with knots. I put on the hair tie, but my friend is sure that I do it wrong. It turns out not to be for my hair, but for my wrist. Aha! Now it's crystal clear. The bracelet emphasizes how delicate my hands are. The bracelet is not the only thing that Blondie's made. She's also created a pair of stylish earrings to match the bracelet. Squeeze a layer of hot glue on a piece of plastic covered with fatty cream. Take the glue off when it is dry and cut out a triangle. Attach sticky tape to the top to form a strip at the base. Paint it with colorful nail polish. Take off the tape when the polish is dry. Paint the remaining part in another color. Hold the detail with a wooden stick to make the job easier. Cover it with glittery nail polish or with black dots on top. Turn it over and attach an earring stud. Make the second earring in the same way. The DIY earrings look awesome.